Wow.
Okay, this is the Bismarck, obviously, build Trumpeter 1/200 scale. This is the hole. So what I've done is I've drilled out the holes down here. I will light up this kit, hopefully, if it works. If it doesn't, you don't. So all I've used is a 1.6mm drill bit, drilled out the holes. Now within the kit, I'll just move this over, and at the back here too, around near the propeller shaft and so forth, it looks like there's a press crease or something, so I've just sanded that back, filled it with a bit of putty, and I'll sand that off tomorrow, so see how we go with that. Within the kit, for some strange reason, Trumpeter made separate. I believe it's the radar or sonar, maybe radar or something for the Bismarck. Maybe it's the way they've moulded the hole, but it comes in two pieces, so you just join that together. It does leave a bit of a gap, so I've just used some filler in there. There is obviously a bit of flushing along here, which needs to be, I better do that, which needs to be sanded, which I've done. Okay, what I'm doing at the moment is the range folders. So you've got this particular one here. So the photo etch comes in quite small parts, to be honest. So what I've done is put in, as you can see, I've done the little rails here, that side, and this side. So these are the next photo etch parts that go in, or on, to this. So obviously that will go on here, and I believe this goes on the side somewhere, so I'm just looking at that. I've also bought this. So once they're glued on, I'll just give them a little coating of this, so hopefully the paint doesn't rub off as quickly as anything else. So we'll see how we go. Okay, as you can see, the photo etch is quite small and delicate. But it looks like I've missed off a piece here. I've got 518. I need 521. So it's upside down too. So I got, where are you, blighter? 518. So I need 521. Interesting. 5, which is here. So I've ordered magnifying glasses to get, but they haven't arrived yet. They should arrive next week. Because I wear glasses and I still can't see some of these small, tiny bits. So let's see how we go. Okay. So there you have it. So unfortunately the Pontos instructions aren't that detailed. That's the only criticism I think I've got with it, but the actual, zooming out the wrong way, the actual quality is fantastic. I think it'll really make this model pop, so to speak. So we'll see how we go. Okay, all I'm using is just CA glue. So all you do is just obviously dab it on as sparingly as you can. See how we go. Let it dry. And budge your uncle. Okay, this some sort of radar, so photo etch, so let's start bending and see what happens. One. Two. Some of it. It's not too bad. Just have to glue some bits and go from there. Okay, still working on the rangefinders and radar. Basically this is how it comes. You get your ladders and you shave it off, like on this side. You got the prominent ones just there. I don't know if you can see it. If I can get this thing to work. So you've got them just there. And what you do is shave them off and use this template which comes with the kit. And you just drill the holes accordingly. So I'll just show you how that's done in a sec. Okay, so all I've done is just use some sticky tape to hold it down, and then all you need to do is your 0.3 pin vise, which I can't find online, so hang on a sec. Found it. Okay, so all you do is get your pin vise and bugger, broke it. Buy another set tomorrow, I think, just as a spare. And then you just drill the holes. Being 0.3, they're pretty brittle, so let the vise do all the work. Don't you push, or you will have a tendency to break the damn thing, which I just did. But still got heaps there. I think I broke it anyway. It slipped off one or two. So, as I say, the Pontos kit's pretty good, but the instructions are a bit ordinary in my opinion, so they're not actually that clear. So use this as well as the kit and you should get some idea. And that's it. Okay, so basically, I'm not sure if you can see the holes which are just there. So that's what the template, so you sand off the climbing railings, I suppose, ladders, whatever it is, and then you just drill out, and then you put the photo etch in place. So I'll show you how to do that in a sec. Okay, I'm still working on this obviously. Just be careful too when you put these together. Like this is H59, and they go on a special way, so just be careful because you've got H60 that goes on this side, but they got different locating pins, I believe, so just be a bit careful when you put those on. So yeah, so see how we go. Pretty simple, just glue, press, and there you have it.